Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix the problem when the Google Maps arrow is not moving or not working on your Android device. So let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Enable location from settings. First, open the Google Maps application on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Now go to settings. Make sure Wi-Fi only is turned off. Now tap on Google Location Settings. Ensure that location is enabled. Now go back and tap on Location Accuracy Tips. This will optimize your location settings. Method 2. Turn off power saving mode. For this, open the Settings app. On the Settings, scroll down and tap on Battery. Tap Advanced Settings. Here, disable battery saver because it restricts GPS and causes issue with maps. Method 3. Update Google Maps. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Google Maps and tap on it. If an update is available, tap Update. Finally, restart your phone and check again. That's it. These simple methods should fix the Google Maps arrow not moving problem on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.